I'm Dr. Ashutosh Shukla. I have been observing that chronic lifestyle diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and high cholesterol in India are rising at an alarming pace. Take a look at these frightening statistics. India is now the diabetes capital of the world with 101 million diabetics. 1 out of every 4 adults has high blood pressure. 2/3 of all adults are overweight, and 213 million people in India have high cholesterol. Basically, all lifestyle diseases are caused by a disrupted metabolism, and this damage could be due to various lifestyle and genetic factors. What you eat, how you sleep, how you breathe, and the extent of your physical activity affects this damaged metabolism. Unfortunately, there is no single pill to fix this problem. There is now a revolutionary treatment protocol for these lifestyle diseases. With Prana's integrative lifestyle and longevity plan, it has now become possible to reverse these chronic lifestyle diseases. Using artificial intelligence and machine learning, we get a complete picture of your metabolic health. The AI does an analysis of your metabolism, and our team of doctors and experts recommend a precision treatment to repair this disrupted metabolism. Addressing the root cause, we focus not only on physical, mental, and social aspects, but also the emotional and spiritual perspectives of health and well-being, incorporating the wisdom from traditional systems of medicine like Ayurveda, yoga, and mind-body medicine. The results have been astounding. In a recent trial of 196 patients over the last 2 years, we achieved reversal of diabetes in 88% of diabetics, and 77% went into diabetes remission. Blood pressure got normalized in 69% of patients. Cholesterol levels of 62% of patients were normalized, and 66% patients achieved reversal of fatty liver. With this remission and then reversal of chronic lifestyle diseases, our patients have been able to reduce their pill burden and feel great about themselves. If you suffer from a lifestyle disease like diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, overweight, or high cholesterol, take a pause and think before these conditions start causing complications. Stay safe, stay healthy.